July tarukdagi mafam khangdana mangkhiba mahiroi anigi misigi case kamari leinana Paulun Mang kauba mioi amasu CBI na Pune dagi fagatpa ngamkhre hairi. Wafam asing asi Chief Minister gi Darbar Hall da Security Advisor Kuldip Singh naga Paumi Singha unabada Kuldip Singh na phongdorakhibani. Adobo CBI na fare hariba mioi asigi details ki matangda wafam amatta phongdorakpa leite. Paumi Singha unabadu Kuldip Singh na makha taraduna Serasigi ching amasung tamgi mafam kayada combing operation lepalaitana chathari. Combing operation chathabaduda ngasi khaktada arms kuntaret, ammunition chahum gataro, explosive taramathoi, warlike item marifumanga yauna Maruti Gypsy amamadi Baleno car ama fagat pangamki. Tasigi tara mathoi amasung tara nithoi da tongan ba mafam da chathakiba combing operation da su gari kaya yauna arms amasung ammunition kaya fagat ki hairi. Loinana National Highway 37 da essential item puba truck chahumga humfutra amasung National Highway 2 da essential item puba truck chanigi yangkai security gi akanba section thaurang laukhatuna chathanki. Loinana miyamna rumor sa thazabiganu amadi lut tawkiba nongmai amadi khulai sing manak nakna leiba police station da pikhalaknaba makhatana appeal tawrakli.
CBI has arrested one person named Paulu Mang, son of Luta Thang, from Pune in connection with that case in which two students were kidnapped in July. So in that case, development appears to take place very soon further, and further investigation and other details will be known once we meet CBI and take other details also. But they have arrested one more person, so definitely further developments will take place. Regarding combing operations, those combing operations are still going on. If anybody is caught with illegal arms, serious action will be taken. So appeal is again made that all the arms and ammunition which have been looted or which are lying in the hands of general public may be surrendered.